Can you make me the? So Fozia, you are not you have not done anything. So basically, you will be starting with the February because you are the good experience. I did not allow so many people, they wanted to be productive. I said, no, an introvert cannot be. So at least, of course, you came along all the way, pretty good, not bad. Now you need to be actually leading. That part have to be done with the February. Of course, Farhana will continue February. Fahmi, you do not need to continue February because now you have to prepare all your tests and then you actually decide the next step. Make sense? So Faria does the same.
Can I ask you what you mean by I will be in the February? I mean, I started in the middle. I'm almost done, and then I will finish up in the middle. I cannot continue all the way. I mean.
No, you don't need to. You are not continuing. You are not leading any of our development team here. You did not do the 10 show and tell yet. So do all the show and tell. I mean, the continue means you will be working with the development team, okay, and the lead them exactly. Now you are you get like a headache from these guys, right? You don't do anything else. But once you'll be working our development team, then you will see that things are different. Okay?
Similar? I mean, similar, you're saying it's going to be different?
Yes, it's a different experience. They are working, they're doing the show and tell, you will see everything. Okay? What you have gone through with the vehicle validation and the Java, it's a different working with our development team. Okay? They have a different issues, different challenges, and you have to finish them up. Okay? And the farm doesn't need to. Farm is different. So yes, and as you said, you have to do the show and tell. Okay, your show and tell have to be all done properly. So did only the what is called? You did the swagger, you did the postman. That is great. Okay. Now we are talking about how you can remove your show and tell and reduce your show and tell, but implement something. So Faria, how she'll be doing her show and tell, she will cover. Her show and tell, and you guys will be show and tell will be different. So February bootcamp are joining, right? So a project kickoff, they will be part of the project. Am I right? Because they have all their 10-month amount of the bootcamp, they have to continue. A project is something when you do a longer period of time. So you start the project. So in this, she will be actually creating the chat group for each of the bootcamp, and then she will be adding the right people. At the same time, she will be working with the operation team, TS for operation team, make sure the operation team provide her all the support, and then she will be communicating in the chat group that, hey, make sure this is the Excel. Please update your TS for use the email ID. At the same time, provide me the Agile ALM email ID. So when she'll be looking at the Excel, she will find out some people is using 2 email. Then she will actually set up the meeting or telling this person, hey, please create an email with the TS for his account, right? And then she will actually following up the onboarding. Hey, this is the software you will be needing because that's the part of the requirement to work in the project. So onboarding the checklist. Number 3, she will ensure that once everybody come to the Agile ALM, well, that's great. Before she go to the walk through the Agile ALM, she actually walk through the 5 or 6 thing on the TS for your portal. Hey, whatever you do on the Agile ALM, it will be tracking the my progress part. So make sure you have to do.
Choose what to go over, like some of the core stuff, for example, calendar meeting, and
no, things will be different. Faria, let me change the ball game here. You instead of showing, you actually doing. Hey, I want to set up a meeting with Shiblu about my product owner Q&A. Let me set up this meeting. It has to be story oriented. You don't need to show me. Once you write that calendar, you go through the punctuation. Look at this, the title. Look at this agenda, and look at this who I added. That's how you have to do. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I meant. You mean like sharing the screen in front of everyone and then showing how it's done? Yeah, that's what I
Yes.
mean. And
Yeah,
how else
good.
would I show?
Your voice is disturbing. Come on. What are you using? Is it the Brooklyn internet problem?
No, I'm not even in Brooklyn though. I'm in front of the computer right now. This is from the computer, the desktop.
Okay. So yes, no, you're right. The way you are saying, exactly, yes. And the day-to-day activities. Hey, today's my day-to-day activities is this. And look at this. I write today's date. I write the activities. I'm actually
And
giving the show and
I
tell.
create
I mentioned that.
first I'll create a presentation and then
Yes.
list everything that needs to be gone over, and
Yes.
then I'll do it in the show and tell as we go.
Exactly. That is correct. So it exactly work representation. Instead of you telling me what the feature do, you will be actually using that specific functionality, a specific feature. So you're telling them that's exactly I'm expecting.
Okay, so can anyone review everything I like once I complete it? Can anyone review it before I actually go over?
No, pronto. And some of the information will not give you the answer during the review process, okay? Some of the we intentionally keep, we do intentionally do not give you the answer. Major things I will give you, he will give you the feedback, I will give you the feedback. The minor things we do not. Why? Because in the minor things we tell in the workshop, so everybody learn equally. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, of course we'll be reviewing.
All right.
Yeah. So yeah, I think we are on the same page. Panto, did you understand? We are heading on the same page, right?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, anytime you guys tell anyone, instead of the what this feature do, actually you tell them how this feature works. Means you are telling, you are implementing yourself on the spot. You guys understand now? Farhana, Fahmid, Fozia?
Yes, yes, bye.
Yes.
So we do not teach people in a boot camp what to do. We teach people how to use this and what is the purpose you are going to use it right away. Good deal? That's the work is. When you go to the course, they will tell you what it is, what it is, what it is, what it is. But bootcamp, we do not do this. We actually teach how to do this. So Fari, I think you got the whole idea. So for the Agile LM, I will be actually talking. Of course, she'll be talking. At the same time, I will be talking as well. Right? And then she will be doing the hands-on as well. So from the day one, I'm giving her the full control so that people can know her. But I'm expecting here I don't know how to say it. Okay, no, let her get this done first. And I'm expecting Farhana and the come along as well. So I think after let's do the big part is done, because Farhana is going to the development team. So Farhana, your roadmap is good. You're good. It's only Faria. Let her do this. She will complete the journey. So this way she has implemented the Agile LM show and tell is done. Had the presentation of how to when she goes to the work, if someone is not setting up the meeting properly, and then she will actually able to explain them, hey, can you please set up a meeting? And this way, if someone is not chatting with someone else, and she will tell her, can you respond to this chat? So that's the all actual a great amount of work experience and the confidence, and say in the right place what to say, and the not to say what not to say.
Unnecessary stuff.
Are you good?
Yes.
Okay. So this part she will be starting after her product owner test is complete. And of course, you guys should be joined in the workshop so you guys can see, instead of telling the feature, but actually how to implement. So Faria, what I'm expecting, whatever you'll be showing the hands-on, put some of the data on the other Word documents so you can copy and paste quickly instead of writing on the spot. Did you understand what I said?
Yes, actually, I was planning to just write everything down myself without looking at the documents.
On the spot?
for example, like if I wanted to go over where you would update your tasks, so there's multiple places you have to do it. You have to do it in day-to-day activities, and then you'll have to post it in the chat group, and then you'll have to do it in the Agile LM board. So, you know, I was thinking of doing it my way. But if you want me to do it from the document, do that.
No, your way is fine. No, your way is fine. What I'm saying, if you need to write like a 6 or 7 bullet point, right? So you write 1 or 2, remaining you can, hey, for the sake of time consuming, time saving, I already wrote it. Let me bring copy and paste and walk it through. So you have done how to write, and you bring from outside as well for the sake of saving the time and make the time, use the time efficiently and effectively. That's what I mean.
Okay, sure. I can do
I'm
that.
telling you, this all people at this time is smarter because they go through a lot of process, you know, and we are very strict, and they already know this. Okay, at August or the last group, like we took some type of still different people. Even August, I suspended many students as well. From this, people actually know what they're getting into this. Okay, at least that's how we vetted out all the students. And we do not take many students. Many students have been declined by our partner already, so you already know. So it is not going to be much babysitting. We are taking the students who are actually preparing themselves. Good?
How many students are joining in total?
I don't know. I don't know.
Shubhlu, you said it's going to be less babysitting now or more babysitting?
It should be less.
Okay.
But again, remember, part of the babysitting, this is where you grow. I'm telling you. Okay?
Yeah.
The last 5 months, I grew a lot to babysit all of you guys. If you guys did all the perfect job, I would not learn much.
Getting babysitting.
And we've been babysitting all the other team members.
Like the Farhana said, people is not responding. They have no clue. It's like they know, but they're not doing it. They're not responding to the text, and they say they will do it, then they don't do it, and it's frustrating, right?
Too much frustration. Remember, I told you, good luck.
Yeah, but anyway, that's part of the job. That's the reason you are in the boot camp, and that's the work experience is. And you are frustrated with me. Hey, I don't mind really, and that's part of the work. So my team is. I am frustrated with my team, but that's the part of the work. It's not going to be like the biryani or the kebab. Okay, it's ready to go. Then why company will pay you $40, $50 for no reason? Okay, there will be some type of frustration will be in place. Confusion will be there, the miscommunication, over communication, the change your strategy, the talk to work with the different team member different way. Hey, that's part of your job. If you do not have the Scrum Master, you have to on the spot. You have to think strategic way. What I have to do. Okay. And especially if someone get into the what is called the automotive industry, man, life will be in hell. It's all about the politics to make money. Okay, guys, I'm good. Fari, I think you understood very well. Thank you. If I see something is less, you'll be in trouble. I'm serious. Okay, I want exactly what you understand. I think that's good. That's the perfect way you'll be delivered.
I want my work to be reviewed, so I don't miss anything.
Yes, we'll be reviewing. Yes, we'll be reviewing. But the foundation, our acceptance, we are good.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, guys. So I think I am good. Do you guys want us to show you something? Like an example, Pantu will be showing.
Go through the. Oh, can I say that? Like, oh, you're asking us if we can. Like what?
You do. Yes, you do.